Hello and welcome to Real Auto Reviews. My name is Shiraz, and for those of you who are coming to my channel for the first time or watching this particular video, the highway review on my channel for the first time, let me tell you that this is sort of my trademarked video. Okay. In this video I primarily tell you two things. One, the RPM a vehicle does at cruising speeds in top gear, and of course the NVH levels at those speeds. Okay, generally I start from 80 kilometers per hour. However, since this is the Q7, I'll start from 100 kilometers per hour. And interestingly, in the last 13 years of my auto journalism career, I have not tested a vehicle that does not allow me to manually shift to the top gear, okay, before 100 kilometers per hour. All right, this is the first one, and I'll show it to you. So I'll take it up to 100. I'll of course get past this traffic. Alright, bring it down to 100. And see, it's not allowing me to shift up to the 8th gear. So if you have to cruise at 100 kilometers per hour, you'll have to make do with cruising in 7th. Okay, and what RPM is it doing right now? I just a shade above what, 1800 RPM. So it could be 1810 or 1850. Okay, just a shade above 1800 RPM. Okay, and when would it allow me to manually upshift to 8th gear and stay there? Okay, that would be 110 kilometers per hour. See, yes, and now the RPM at 110 kilometers per hour is just a shade above 1500 RPM. Lovely, lovely, awesome. Yeah, just a shade above 1500 RPM. So this could be what? This could be like 1510, 1520 or 1550. This is not 1600 RPM for sure. This is just a shade above 1500 RPM. Okay, and I have to tell you that this is the quietest car that I've tested yet. And of course I'm talking about, you know, cars that have internal combustion engines. All right, I've tested Range Rovers, you know, those are beautifully quiet as well. All right, and you know, a few more luxury cars, premium cars. This is the quietest of them all. This literally is silky smooth. Okay, we auto journalists, we use this term a lot, but this one has actually earned it. This is beautifully silky smooth. All right, so that should also tell you that at 110 kilometers per hour, all right, the cabin is beautifully quiet. And that is what you expect when you pay this kind of money. Okay, now let me also tell you that, so you notice that I manually upshifted to 8th. all right, and yes, I did try, you know, bringing the cruise speed down to 100, and you know, within like 10 to 15 seconds it drops down to the 7th gear. Okay, what you can do is take the car up to 110 kilometers per hour, set the cruise control at 110 and then gradually bring it down to 105, it will stay in 8th gear at 1500 rpm. Okay, dot 1500 rpm. So your question would be, what would be, you know, that speed wherein it automatically shifts to the 8th gear, okay, with of course a light foot? That would be 125 kilometers per hour. I'll try to show it to you. And at that point in time, if I remember, it is doing somewhere around 1800 rpm if I'm not wrong. So that's 125. Yes, in fact it upshifted at 123. So 125 right now, as I told you, is 1800 rpm. Okay, and again it is as silent as it was at 110 kilometers per hour. And let me tell you that it stays that way even at 130, even at 140. Yes. And it's still not 2000 rpm, it's still a shade above 1800 rpm. Beautiful. So this would be what, 1850. This is still not 1900 rpm. Beautifully quiet, and I'm sure you can hear it. You can hear the silence. Okay, that's an oxymoron there. So yeah, see, the long and short of it is that this, you know, if you are buying this vehicle, you would be touring a lot. Okay, you would be using this vehicle a lot for long journeys, and this is, I would say that, you know, yes, it is indeed one of the best, absolute best tourers that you can buy. And so, and you know what, if you do not tour on this you know, vehicle, if you do not take it on long journeys, you would be doing a disservice to this car. Please go on long journeys. Okay, it's a very comfortable vehicle, and as you saw that, you know, it's beautifully relaxed at, you know, expressway speeds. So yeah, thumbs up to Audi. And if at all, you know, you are contemplating a buy, please go ahead and buy it. I highly recommend this vehicle. And yeah, do subscribe, guys, if you haven't already, and please do hit that like button, do leave a comment, and I shall see you soon in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.